Alright guys, so as you can see, the solar fountain, it works. Now our fountain is a little, our fountain's big. Hello guys, welcome back. So today we're checking out this solar water fountain. So we ordered a bird bath, waiting for it to come to finish this up, but that's what we got this for. Looks pretty awesome. I can't wait. I know the birds are gonna love it, and I know this really helps bring hummingbirds to the area. Very nice. So, it is solar. You just peel off the protective layer that's on it. So, like this. We know you guys love this. So that's the protective layer protecting the solar panels all around. And that's a lot of... I'm shocked that there's so many solar panels. Yeah, I'm shocked. So on the bottom here, it has a sensor. So when there's water in it, it will sense and it will spray. It's got a little suction cup on the feet. And you basically just set this in and it floats pretty much. You can mount it somewhere if you want. And it looks like they provide you with different nozzles for the water to spray from the top. So you basically can pick whichever you like. There's a ton of different sprays nozzles. I mean, there's a lot. So you can set it up however you want it with the different ends. So let's go ahead and test this out. And by the way, guys, for setting this up, if you want it to spray higher, you just simply add all the pieces together. So add all your pieces on here and you can get it to spray up much higher than normal. So add your pieces up. There's a manual. It's underneath inside the box. Just lift up that protective layer and you'll find the manual. So to quickly overview, you put this little cap. You have two little caps so you can decide how you want it. You put the cap down and then you put this long piece that shows. Now you can have just the cap down for it to spray just the cap. If you don't want just one of the caps, then you go ahead and you pull it off and then you put this long piece down and the long piece goes down like that, and then you can put a cap on that, either one, whatever you want, and then you go ahead and you put this down on, which, oh no, okay, so you can actually have it like this, if you want. If not, then take the cap off and put it down on. I mean, there's so many methods. It shows you everything. So check out your manual. Alright guys, so as you can see, the solar fountain, it works. Now our fountain is a little, our fountain's big, but as you can see, water does kind of go out, and there is one downfall to this. If you have it sticking, the sticking doesn't really line up on the bottom. It should be all over, like on here too, but it doesn't line up. This is kind of sticking out. So because that's sticking out, it can't stick to the bottom like it's supposed to. So that's a little disappointing. We're gonna see if we can play around with this a little bit. But this should be sticking up a little more to allow you to place it straight down. Like if you could put it straight down in the center, it wouldn't be an issue, but as you can see, it tilts to the side. So we're gonna play with it. I like it a lot, just gotta play with it.